In the summer of 1950, no one was certain that Korea would survive. There were moments, many moments, when leaving was a reasonable option. But some people made a different choice. One of them was General Douglas MacArthur. He did not promise victory. He did not say it would be easy. When withdrawal was possible, he chose to stay. That decision did not end the war. But it gave Korea something rare. It gave time to endure, time to regroup, and time to remain. Korea was not saved by one man alone. The United States, the United Nations forces, and countless soldiers chose not to leave Korea behind. And Koreans chose not to waste that help. The Korea you see today was not built by success alone. It exists because when things were hardest, Korea was not left alone. And Korea remembers.